Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the beautiful Aulani here on Oahu in Hawaii. I'm so excited for another unboxing to share with you guys. This time it's my beautiful bag from Dior. So if you want to check out the beautiful bag that I picked up from Dior, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching yet another video. Okay guys, so I'm still here in Hawaii, Aulani, the Disney resort. It's gorgeous here. I'm looking outside my window. We absolutely love it here. Come back probably once or twice a year these days. I'm originally from here, so I come back to see friends and family, but also I come back for just the culture, the food, obviously the beautiful weather, just so much about it here I love. It's my favorite vacation spot. I also love it because you can pick up some pretty decent deals on luxury items here in Hawaii in addition to some tax savings, so I also honestly love it for that too. If you haven't checked out my last two recent Aulani unboxing videos, the first was a bunch of luxury accessories that I picked up here, and the second one was a beautiful, relatively newly released Louis Vuitton bag. I will link those videos down below for you guys. So I had to give this bag its own dedicated video because you'll see, I think it deserves that. So I'm excited to share with you guys what I picked up. I got this from the Aulani boutique in the mall, and I mean, that's my all-time favorite mall. It's gorgeous. It has all the amazing luxury stores, also, you know, contemporary stores too, but just anything you want there, you can go and pick up, honestly. So yes, I love Aulani. That's where I picked this up from. I absolutely love Dior shopping there. And I did pick up another pair of tribals or tribalis earrings that I am wearing for you right now in the gold tone with the gold faux pearls. Just love these. I don't know if they're still in style anymore because they've been around for a while, but I like them, so I picked up another pair. I unboxed that for you guys in my accessories video. But I also picked up this bag. This is why I went into the store. I was going to look at this bag. So here it is. I did not get the box because honestly, I'm never going to take the box back for travel, but they did give me this beautiful bag. It has the really pretty ornament charm here, which I love too. And then let me just pull it out, then I will share it with you guys. It still comes with tons of wrapping tissue paper. Alright, so here it is. It is a big bag like Dior often has in their boutiques. Last, I think, spring break or last vacation I was here, I did pick up the beautiful, at that point, newly released edition of their regular size boat tote, the large size. Love it. I honestly have not carried it though because I don't want to damage it. It's gorgeous. Well, I need to pull that baby out and use it, but I love it. That's what I picked up last from this boutique. But this year it was going to be this bag. I thought I would like it, but I hadn't tried it on before, so I went in looking for it and fell in love, of course. Let me just show you guys what it is and I'll tell you more about it. All right, so here it is. You can smell the leather here. And let me just share with you guys what I picked up. The handles are beautifully wrapped. It is their beautiful Toujours bag. Here it is. This a beauty here in casket leather. Oh, the leather is so soft. I wish you could feel it. It has a canage print. This is the large size. And I will tell you more about sizing in a few minutes in addition to showing mod shots, but let me show you some of the up-close details on this beautiful new bag. Okay, so I'm just going to unwrap the handles here so I can share with you guys what it looks like up close. It has the beautiful Dior charms, which are right here, and they are partially wrapped. I don't think all the ones are wrapped, but some of them are. But it says Dior here, and I think this is supposed to be champagne gold hardware. So I need to pull off the stickers here and clean this up a bit, but that is so pretty. I love that. And again, this is made out of calfskin. I went with the black, obviously, and it has their classic canage print, which I really love. There are no feet on the bottom, which I really probably don't love, but still, it goes all the way around with the canage print. There are no pockets on the back or anything. It has these top handles, which I will share with you. You guys probably know with the style can adjust to shoulder straps that I will share with you guys. It has one little clasp here, which you just weave this piece of leather through to clasp your bag. But it does have that option in case you want to have a little bit more security. And then you open it up here, and let me just undo this piece here, and it will reveal the Christian Dior branding there. And this really nice little CD clasp, look at that, it's a C and a D. And then you flip one of these open here. There you go. And the clasp comes undone. So you can cinch your bag in like you see here, or if you want to leave it undone, you can make it more of a tote style. And here's what it looks like for a tote style, which I actually really like as well. So you can unclasp it. And then let me remove all of the packaging. So there's a little care booklet here in the bottom, but I don't believe there are any other pockets or anything. It's just a big pit here with a microfiber or suede type of a lining, and there's just the carrot booklet thrown in there. But it is just a really large opening here, and there's no removable bottom or anything like that. It's just an open tote. There is one D-ring though on the side here, which you can clip your little pouch to, which is included, as I will show you in a minute. But this is what the bag looks like. It's just kind of an open, big pit. So here is the little pouch that comes with it, which is really nice. It's not branded on the outside. So it does have this little wristlet strap, which I will remove to show you guys, but it has an adjustable wristlet strap. Okay, here we go. So you can undo it and it's adjustable. And rarely do I see adjustable wristlet strap, so that's kind of cool. It has a little zipper pull here, the beautiful leather canage print. The zipper is not the smoothest, I will say, as you can see, but I think it just needs to soften up a little bit. It is branded Christian Dior Paris, made in Italy, and it's just a microfiber lining. There's no pockets or anything, but it has a really nice pouch that is included. So you can use this as a standalone wristless, which I probably will do in other bags too, as a little catch-all. I think it's this really beautiful leather pouch. And then you can hook this through the D-ring as well if you'd like, as a little pouch with a little extra security in your bag. So it's nice that you get this as well. And then the other nice thing is that you can adjust these straps. But first, let me show you some mod shots using the handles as they currently are, as kind of a top handle style. All right, so here's what the bag looks like overall. This is a large size. It did come in a medium and a small size, and depending on the size you get, there are different types of colorways. So I have my notes here because I had to look at the different colors, but I did see the beautiful tan in this color, which is gorgeous. They had a taupe and a gray as well, but I decided to go for the classic black. In the large, the other option that I was able to see was a more limited crinkle black with all black matte hardware. I was tempted by that, and that one did have Hawaii pricing, so it was a little cheaper, but I had to go with the classic. So unfortunately, this style, I don't know why, but does not have Hawaii pricing. So I paid retail for this bag, but if you got the black crinkle one, you would get some Hawaii pricing. It also comes in medium, and in the medium size, it did have some more unique colors. There was a latte or a little like off-white color, a burgundy, and a beige, and then the small as well, which I saw in black. So there's a small, medium, large. This is the large. So when you see large, I thought it was going to be huge, but if you know me, I tend to gravitate more toward larger bags anyway. I just love throwing things in there. It's more versatile. You can use it for work, you can use it for play, in terms of vacations, things like that, especially with 4 kids. It's nice to throw things in here. So I went for the large. I don't think it's too overpowering. I'm going to use this as an everyday work bag. So here's what it looks like with the top handle. You can put obviously your hands or arm through this. I'm going to carry this a lot. I think this looks super classy. I love this look. I love the tote look too with it uncinched. If you want to cinch it, you can easily cinch it in by just clasping this in the middle here, and you can get a look that looks something like this. So it looks more of like a fortune cookie type of a style of a bag, where if it's too big as a tote, you can kind of cinch in the sides to make it look more of a shape like this, which is also really nice. And I just love how you can tell this is Dior if you know this print. It looks very classic, but it's also not so in your face with logos. So I love this. But the nice thing about this, as you probably know, and really what sold me, is that these straps are versatile. There's no way I would buy a tote that I could only carry in my hand. The only exception is a Birkin. Besides Birkins, I will never do that because I need to throw it over my shoulder most times. I love the look of a top handle or crook of your arm bag. I think this looks the classiest, and I like carrying it like this. But I mostly will need the option to throw it over my shoulder, especially for totes, because you load them up, there's a lot of stuff in it. I need to be able to throw it over my shoulder if I have to go somewhere. So I almost always will never go for an exclusive top handle tote like this. But let me show you, with this bag, you have options. So if you can see here, there is a little metal piece here with the leather pushed through. So how you adjust it is you pull out that little knob, and then it releases it, as you can hopefully see here. And then you're just supposed to, let's see if I can get this right, I think just pull. And it's weird just to say pull because I don't want to damage this, obviously. And then you pull the other side. We got that. But you can make it a shoulder. So you can make it any size you want, but let me just show you the longest in case you're curious. Pretty much the longest that you can make it will be the maximum here. So you just pull this, and it's such a unique mechanism. I mean, I'm a little afraid to pull this sometimes because it's new, it's a little tight, but as it softens up, I think it'll get a lot easier. It is pretty simple anyway, honestly, as it is now, but you just string it through like this. And this currently is the longest that you can make the shoulder straps. Let me show you guys how this looks. I'm gonna make it more of a tote style. So here is how this looks as a tote with the longest strap length possible. So here's what it looks like. So I think this looks really pretty. It's very classic tote in black leather. You cannot go wrong. Love it, right? It's so nice to be able to have this option to just throw it over your shoulder. Really easy. You don't need to add any other straps or anything else. It's just basically pulling the strap longer if you want it longer. So I love this. Here's what the length looks like in case you're wondering. So it's a pretty decent drop. It can easily get over your shoulder and over a coat, in my opinion. So I just love this. You can make it different lengths though. If you don't want it that long, you could make it a medium length shoulder and play around with it a bit. But this is the longest strap drop you can make it. As you saw, it's pretty easy to do just on the fly. So I love that about this particular bag. Okay guys, so let me tell you a little bit more about pricing of this bag and a little bit more of the details. I went for it because, again, it's just such a versatile bag, as I mentioned. Not only can you adjust the shape, but you can also adjust the shoulder straps, and that's really what sold me. I just love a bag that can easily change from a top handle to a shoulder bag in just like a minute. So really, really convenient like that. I love the beautiful leather, the fact that it has the print, but it's not screaming with logos or anything. So I think it's more appropriate for the workplace, which is where I intend to use it, or for work travel. You can also use it on the weekends too. This calfskin leather is a little more durable than lambskin, obviously, but it can definitely still scratch. So that's a little bit of a downside. I will see how that goes. But that's also why I wanted to get it in black. I thought it wouldn't show marks as easily. Maybe it would not be as prone to color transfer as the tan color, because that was the other color that I had my eye on. I love that tan color. But I thought that for a tote that's really going to be rubbing against my clothes a bit, it might be prone to color transfer. So I didn't get it for that reason. And let me share with you guys the price of this bag. So to be totally honest, I was pretty disappointed that this particular bag didn't have Hawaii pricing. Only the Toujours black crinkle with the matte black hardware in the large size had the Hawaii pricing. I don't know why. I should have asked, but I didn't. I was a little disappointed that this didn't have the pricing, but I love the bag so much that just the tax savings alone for me was worth it to pick it up here. So let me just share with you guys the price on this. So I paid retail for this and it was $4,400. Again, the sales tax was lower. I think it was about 4.71%, which is lower than what I would normally pay in California. But I paid a full retail price of $4,400. I mean, that's a lot, but for the amount of leather you get, I mean, I thought it was worth it. I also thought about picking up another, for instance, Chanel DeVille tote. I have one already in the larger size, but I was going to look at the smaller size. But I thought, you know, for the price, this bag is definitely more worth it because it's full leather. I thought it would be more versatile, especially in the workplace setting where it doesn't scream a logo like the DeVille one does, that I decided to go for this. So I am excited about this. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more. I'm going to let you guys know what I think. It's huge. It has a big capacity, especially because it's pretty deep, as you can see here. So I think it can carry a lot. And yeah, I'm excited to go ahead and give it a try. If you guys own this tote, please let me know what you think. I'm so excited about it, but I don't know. We'll see if it actually works for my lifestyle. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm so excited to try out this tote and my other items that I picked up on this trip. So if you guys have any particular recommendations about other Dior items that you think would work for me, definitely comment down below. I always love hearing from you all about these things. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I will sign out now for the final time from the beautiful Aulani in Hawaii. Aloha!